Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of disobedience to summons issued by Congress, its committees or subcommittees, by the constitutional commissions, its committees, subcommittees, or divisions. Disobedience to summons issued by Congress and constitutional commissions. The crime of disobedience to summons issued by the Congress and constitutional commissions is governed by Article 150 of the Revised Penal Code. Under Article 150, the crime is committed by any person who, having been duly summoned to attend as a witness before Congress, its special or standing committees and subcommittees, the constitutional commissions, and its committees, subcommittees, or divisions, or before any commission or committee chairman or member authorized to summon witnesses refuses, without legal excuse, to obey such summons, or being present before any such legislative or constitutional body or official refuses to be sworn or placed under affirmation, or to answer any legal inquiry, or to produce any books, papers, documents, or records in his possession when required by them to do so in the exercise of their functions. It is also committed by any person who shall induce disobedience or refusal to be sworn by any such body or official. Under Article 150, there are 5 punishable acts o mga bagay o gawa na pinaparusahan nito. First, refusing, without legal excuse, to obey summons of Congress, its special or standing committees and subcommittees, the constitutional commissions and its committees, subcommittees or divisions, or by any commission or committee chairman or member authorized to summon witnesses. Ito ay pagtanggi ng walang dahilan para sundin ang pagtawag ng Kongreso o ang constitutional commissions. Second, refusing to be sworn or placed under affirmation while being presented before such legislative or constitutional body or official. Ito ay pagtanggi upang sumumpa habang pinipresenta sa Kongreso o constitutional body. Third, refusing to answer any legal inquiry or to produce any books, papers, documents, or records in his possession when required by them to do so in the exercise of their functions. Ito naman ay pagtanggi na sagutin ang anumang legal na katanungan o pagtangging pagbigay ng mga libro, papel, dokumento o talaan na nasa kanyang hawak nang kinailangan ito ng Kongreso o Constitutional Commission kaugnay sa kanyang tungkulin. Fourth, restraining another from attending as a witness in such legislative or constitutional body. Ito naman ay pagbawal sa iba upang dumalo at maging saksi sa Kongreso o constitutional body. Fifth, inducing disobedience to a summons or refusal to be sworn by any such body or official. Ito naman ay pagbuyo sa iba upang sumuway o tumanggi upang sumumpa before the Congress o constitutional bodies. Take note po, the testimony of a person summoned must be upon matters into which the legislature has jurisdiction to inquire. Dapat yung testimony ng person na sinumon ay mga bagay na pwedeng tanungin ng Kongreso. Next, sino-sino ang mga pwedeng maging liable sa krimeng ito? It is committed by any person who commits any of the acts mentioned. Pwedeng gawin ito kahit sino na nakagawa ng isa o higit pa sa 5 bagay na pinaparusahan ng Article 150. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.